Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how you can fix an Instagram message not sending. As you can see in the video, if you open a specific chat and you see that when you send a specific message then it shows failed. There are many reasons for that. One of the reasons is that if you share a specific link to many chats, as you can see in the video, if I select so many chats and send them a specific link, then Instagram consider it as spam and blocks your Instagram messages. Now I will tell you how you can fix that error. To fix that error, first of all you have to go back and close the Instagram. After that you have to open settings. In settings you have to open your apps. In apps you have to search for Instagram. If you scroll down, then you can easily find Instagram app. You have to click on it. After you have opened the Instagram app, you have to click on storage option, and there you have to clear cache or offload app if you are iPhone user. Moreover, you can also clear data to solve this problem. After that, you have to again check whether the message is sending or not. If the problems occurs again and again, then I will tell you another method to solve this error. As you can see in the video, if the message does not send, then you have to go back and again you have to open your settings. After opening your settings, you have to again open apps. In apps you can again open Instagram app. Now you have to clear data also, so that all your data will be cleared from the Instagram and your app will be offloaded. After that you can again open Instagram app, and this time your problem will be solved. I hope you have understand the problem and you can easily solve this problem easily. Kindly like this video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our latest videos.